Hello and welcome to another episode of Brick Bites, where I put together amazing Lego sets and you get to listen to some incredibly gifted musicians. So, in today's episode, I get to put together the amazing Imperial Shuttle Tydirium from, of course, Star Wars. Now, I have to be honest with you guys. This is not mine. One of my friends won this during a Christmas party at his work. He planned on putting it together, but he never got around to it. And I commandeered it from his work, and I get to put it together and then I give it to him. So at least it'll be put together on his desk instead of in a bunch of bags. And I get to have fun showing it to you guys, and you guys get to see it all put together and get to hear a review of it and see whether or not you want to spend $100 and some purchasing it or not. This particular Lego set is for 9 to 14-year-olds. It has 937 pieces, so it's going to take some time. Now, okay, so a little history about this particular shuttle. So it was actually stolen it was stolen from the Imperials by the Alliance, and then it was used to transport Han Solo and his group of allies down to Endor to help take out the generators so that the Alliance, or the rebels, could destroy the Death Star too. So that is part of the history of this particular shuttle, and a lot of Star Wars fans really like it. And of course, Endor. Who doesn't know Endor and its cute fuzzy little teddy bears that ran around? I know I happen to have one, and it's called Willy. Yep, I have an original Ewok. Yes, he's gray and white, and he's so super cute. And I got it when I was like 8 years old. So I was very excited to have my own personal little Ewok. And now, if Mulan was out here, our little puppy, but she's already in bed with Richard, she reminds us both of an Ewok. And then Mr. E looks more like a Wookiee. So I guess that's the awesomeness of having Shih Tzus. Anyways, that's just a little bit about our puppy dogs and what we think of our puppy dogs. But anyways, so I'm going to get started on this particular shuttle. Now, first off, I mentioned that I got this Lego set from a friend, and he just doesn't have time to put it together, and he thought it would be great for me to do it on the show, and I, of course, agreed with him and immediately packed up all the bags and put them back into the box. So there is one bag that isn't closed anymore, so when I open it, don't be surprised and don't be sad about it. Also, I don't have to worry about the tape because he's already removed it for me. So I'm going to open up the box. We get to look at the user, or the instructions. Oh, that was magic, huh? And then at all the bags. This is the one that's been opened. Of course, it's number 1. All right, so in number 1, there are stickers. The instructions book reminds me of the Prima Game books that you can buy that basically teach you the tips and tricks of any particular game out there, whether it be on the PC or the Xbox or whatever. That's what this reminds me of. It's just as big, it feels just as thick. Now, some really cool aspects about this particular one is not the beginning. is close to the end. It has a huge amount of different minifigs that you could purchase or get with another set. And then on the other page, it actually shows you all the different sets that belong with this one. So all the different Lego sets that kind of come in the series. And then of course it has a list of all the pieces that goes with it. So that's kind of nice. All right, so with that, I'm gonna actually start assembling this and you get to start listening to the music that I chose. I hope you like it. First, does the shuttle meet the requirements of a 9 to 14-year-old being able to build it? And I would say yes. There's no real complex items. Most things, are really good pieces. Like this is one piece and these are each one piece and they just all snap together. It's very easy. Following the instructions, a 9-year-old should be able to do it. The second thing is playability. What this really means, for those of you who haven't watched my episodes before, is it able to be played with? Can you move any of the parts? Can you put your little minifigs inside of the item? Does the item fall apart fairly easily? So let me just tell you this. The wings move up and down, as you can see, very easily. It has weapons that move. And these ones move, so that's kind of fun. It even has these neat little, there's little green rockets right here and on this side. And there's this little gadget on the side right here that if I push it, it'll make it go flying. Open up, you can see, oh, there's people in there. And on the sides, oh, there's little rebel forces right there. And Princess Leia right there. Ready for battle, everybody's ready. So, playability is definitely there. Oh, there's one other really neat thing. It's the bottom, and it actually has the ability to land. Voila. Not just fall on its face, but then actually have a landing gear at the very base of it. Okay, so thirdly, the design of the item is really sharp. It is really well put together. I don't foresee it falling apart easily. I think it was a really good, fun piece to put together. Well, back in December, this was about $79 to $120, depending on where you were going for it. And again, it has stickers. You're spending so much money and you get stickers. Yet, with the Ecto and the DeLorean, the Ecto will happen in a little while, you'll see that particular one. They're like $49 and, well, the DeLorean's a lot more than that, but the Ecto is only $49 or $50 or something like that. And it's stamped. It doesn't have stickers. So again, I'm not really sure why Lego decided that these couldn't be just stamped into the plastic. I don't really understand. However, other ones that they created did have these stamped that are a lot cheaper than this particular piece. So I just don't understand. And Lego, maybe you can explain why such an expensive piece would have such cheap stickers to go with it. Not only is this a good piece to play with, people can obviously open and close the different areas. It's also just a really neat piece just to have on your work desk, like a trophy piece. All right, this has been another episode of Brick Bites. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please please subscribe, write any comments. Do you agree that these shouldn't be stickers? Do you think that they should be stamps? People who work at Lego or have been putting together Legos for a while, what do you guys think? All right, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.